The Big Small Business Show is brought to you by Chartered Accountants of South Africa. Transform the future of your business. Partner with the CASA today.
Okay, let's just move over to this concept of internal audits. You know, this show is about small business, and I just want to ask you, as an auditor, when is it the right time for a small business or a business as it's growing? When's the right time? What are the signals we need in order to start an internal auditing function within the business?
And again, from my side, my view, I think personally it's not necessarily at a certain level. I think any organization would understand the challenges that they have in terms of disciplines, governance. So to give you one example, an organization with a turnover of 50 million rand, typically it turns 250,000 rand per day. So that's quite a substantial amount of money that's already turned, even though you're only a 50 million rand business. And that is typically where we start to consider black empowerment and all of those other legislative requirements, even something like employment equity. So in my view, it's not only about the size being monetary or alternative in terms of your staff complement, whereby you will need to consider internal audit. It's typically the moment that you would like to install good corporate disciplines and governance. I believe that is the right opportune time whereby internal audit is something to consider.
When your auditors come in and they say to you, like, I don't trust your internal controls, what are they exactly saying? Is that it doesn't meet a standard? What are they actually saying?
So typically in an external audit environment, the external auditor will need to consider if there's sufficient controls to ensure that your accounting records are fair, accurate, and true in all material aspects. So if it is put to you that your internal controls cannot be trusted, or they cannot rely on that, by definition or by design, it means that there's an internal control that do not give sufficient evidence or sufficient comfort that your accounting records are actually true.
The Big Small Business Show is brought to you by Chartered Accountants of South Africa. Transform the future of your business. Partner with the CASA today.